What up, YouTube? So, this is the first startup on the new setup on the Miata. It is running on the Mega Squirt with the 1000cc injectors on. We put E85 in today. Me and Squirt went up. He's got 10 gallons of it back in there. A couple small leaks from some fuel. Got those fixed. But all in all, here it is. This is the first startup. There is Mr. Squirt right there looking happy.
Yeah.
That's a happy face right there. So it is running. It sounds good. Just got done checking timing. J-Rod. Say what it do, man? So he's in here getting down on the Mega Squirt. Been out here getting down. J-Rod's second tune of the night, so nothing big, no dyno tune or nothing like that, but he's got it going, so. Just a late night out here playing. Had to run the battery tender on there, but she's fired up. Got the battery in. Said J-Rod's in here doing some adjusting. Tune day is coming up on Wednesday. It's Saturday night, almost Sunday, so trying to get the final preps in. I think Squirt's ready. My car is up at the alignment shop still. I wasn't in no hurry to pick it up, so I'll be picking up Monday morning. Throw my new Proxy 888 R's on there. And then my boy Chuck down from Texas. Shout out to Chuck's Log at YouTube. He's going to be coming up here. And we're going to be taking the Integra and the Miata up to the dyno, get things done. PFI speed. Brent, Jamie, you know, that's the boys up here, man. So quick rundown though, you know, Miata's up and going, looking good, sounding good. So fingers crossed everything goes good on tune day. But as of now, that's it on the Miata. She's up and going. Again, earlier we had J-Rod had this pretty much ready to go. He's got his function forms in on the front, so suspension is in on driver's side, passenger side, front only on the Berserker. Took it off of the donor car, which we are going to put back together. Stock suspension, stock wheels. It's going to have this D16 Y7 in here. So, but we will have that up and going. We got another homie, electrician homie from Tejas too. He's gonna, I guess he's interested in it, so we're gonna try to get it up and going for him. But yeah, so pile of parts, lots of work. Jose got the Civic up to Leadville, had a little bit of a hiccup. I guess some tape came off the intake. Hopefully didn't suck it in there. That'd be sucky. Should burn up anyway. But yep, Miata's going, Teggy's going, Berserker and Ginger Snap's car next. So we got a GSR Turbo 5-speed, and we got a D16 Y7 Turbo that we still got to play with. So lots getting done tonight, man. I'm excited. I know Squirt has been waiting a long time to get that Miata up and going like that. You know, he started out, it was like, hey, I just want to get a new turbo. This GT 26 or whatever is, you know, not enough, and I want a little bit more power, and it's smoking a little bit, and boom, next you know, now he's got New exhaust, new wastegate done, new catch can, valve covers done, bigger injectors, different pump. So it's awesome. It's awesome. So, what you think over here, Squirt?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Running in a long time.
Yeah, man. Looking good though. Starts right up. What you think, J-Rod?
Starts.
It starts. It's a good start when she starts. So anyway, it's a late night. We're gonna keep on playing out here a little bit longer. You know, give it a little gas over here, see what she does. She needs a little bit more playing, but well, while we keep tinkering around out here again,
Controller in there. I forgot. Hold on.
everybody, you know, appreciate y'all logging in, checking us out. We're gonna keep messing with these guys, get these both these cars running, get everything as best as we can for PFI speed. You know, subscribe at the bottom, like, leave some comments. Appreciate everything, and you know, let us know new stuff you guys want to see. So y'all have a great night. We're gonna keep it rocking. I'm gonna show y'all this nice, beautiful Colorado full moon, and y'all have a great night. Peace.
Straight to it. It might be because the wastegate